Now this is more my style. Yes, this is definitely more my style. Help him. Oh Christ, on a stick. This is definitely more my type of bike though. The CB500F. Okay, we're back. Oh, this feels actually really good. This feels really good. Like, really good. Oh yeah. Woo! Alright, CB500F in this naked form, which is, oh, I love it already. First bug on the new visor. Dang it. Oh yeah, this one has lots of power. What happened here? Somebody crashed? Oh nah, baby, sink. No. Looks like a fender bender, to be honest. Oh, I didn't feel these bumps on the 250 rally. Felt them now though. If I clench my legs together, I get stuck inside the bike basically. Let's see how good this bike is at passing. I think out of all the bikes that I've tested, except that maybe the Kawasaki 650, I'd probably go for this one, to be honest, out of the Hondas and stuff like that. Woohoo! Man, this bike is fun. I'd go for this. I like this bike, even though I don't like the looks of it that much though, gotta be honest. But the way it rides, the way I feel in it, I really happy about it. Oh, okay, just now when I did these bumps in the right now I understand how spongy the what was it called, the 250 rally was. This is more of a kind of feel every bump bike, I guess. It's stiffer is what I'm trying to say. And the other one was just spongy because it's gonna go over rocks and freaking piles of dirt and yeah, I don't know. I've never been into off-roading, so I don't know. This is a good bike. I like it. I like it really much. The color is probably hella hard to keep clean, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do. What up? Oh, you were just speeding. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, it's a bump. It's a bump. Nope. You. And it has brakes. Good. Let's listen to the exhaust though under this tunnel. Sounds very much like my 500. Probably the best bike so far, to be honest, for me, if I were to get a 2 bike. I don't know, I just keep repeating myself, don't I?